Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is JLab Go Work second generation wireless headphone specially for office call. Currently I am working in IT company, so that's why this headphone is very important for me. You can charge once and use 55 hours work time. That one is really impressive. Where I'm purchasing this product? I personally ordered this product from official website JLab.com. Even the same product available on Amazon as well. I already added those product link in video description. You just simply come, click and order the product. This product comes here in the wireless dongle as well. So which types of product I am receiving, how to use, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. So now let's start unboxing of JLab Go Work second generation wireless headphone. Let's check it out. So now let's do the unboxing. Go Work second generation wireless on-ear headset. Clear calls with noise cancellation is also available. We are receiving inside the box. One is a charging cable, one is a dongle, and this is our product. So now we can do the unboxing first of all. Now box is empty. Inside the box we receive here the magic booklet. Here the brand related information. Look at this. It's really impressive product as I am expecting. Here the dongle, they connected already here, USB dongle, so you can very easily connect in your Mac or Windows laptop as well. Even you just simply connect here if you have iPhone like this, and it's very easy to use as well. Afterwards, it's really impressive. This is the proper leather style. Here is the volume, increase, decrease, call, receive, and here is the button. You should receive the call, and this one is working around 160 degrees Celsius as well. Look at this, from this way to that way. Here the little mic. Quality is really impressive for this price. Next thing, here we receive one charging cable as well, and you should use this one as a mic cable as well. So like here, and connect here as well. So look at this here. You can say the charging is start or headphone. If I open here my personal video, and one of the important point here, you should increase the height as well. If you press this button, so video is automatically paused. It means call is connect as well. It's really impressive. Here is also button. You can active noise cancellation is a start from here. You just simply press one, noise cancellation is activated. So these are some features. Now I will show you. Now I connect from the charging. If the light red to green, it means charging is 100% completed. Here I have the Mac, and I just simply connect here this dongle. And second thing, you need to press this button. It say on, and look at this here, screen are showing something. Do you want connect the Go Work USB? You say allow. Now I just simply play here. So look at this here. After you want to receive the voice for this mic, so here Go Work, and now I'm receiving the voice from this mic. So this is the very easy to connect as well. You won't pause the video as well, so you just simply press this button, the video is paused, and after connecting this one, you are not receiving any kind of third noise. So this one is active noise cancellation is this. You just simply press this one and use these features as well. Increase the volume from here, the button is available. Once you're familiar, you can very easily increase the volume and decrease the volume as well using this button. It's really impressive. You just simply click once and the video is a pause, and afterwards very easily use this one. Same simple things. If you watch something, you can do this like this. If you have meeting, you can work like this. Same things, you can, same dongle you can connect your smartphone as well during the meeting and day-to-day IT work. As my personal opinion, this is one of the best product I saw ever. If you don't use the dongle, you can connect the cable as well and use Go Work headphone like this. It's easy and increase the space as well like this. So no matter how big your head, accordingly you should manage. The quality is really impressive for this price. I'm happy after purchasing this product. Enjoy the work as well using this product. This is the simple unboxing and how to use Go Work second generation. Upcoming days I will make a review video as well. If you have any question related on this product, you should ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.